your brain working all the time. You know what this is?
Oh, yeah.
A taser? That's the biggest taser I've ever seen. It's a taser, This is my taser. This is actually a LiDAR unit. This is a laser radar, okay? So I can point this at something and pull the trigger. It can tell me the distance away. It actually has a laser sight. I can look through here. It actually has a laser sight, tell you how far away it is and how fast it's going.
Yeah,
Okay?
unfortunately I'm very
So mom, dad, if you guys see this on an overpass somewhere and somebody's aiming this at you, it's probably too late.
Yeah.
Okay?
Oh, it's already too late?
It's too late. You see this? Okay. This right here is my riot helmet. Okay. I've never had to wear it in an actual civil disturbance situation. We train with these and we wear them for training. We would wear this in like an earthquake or a natural disaster. Like when the San Francisco earthquake happened, we saw a lot of CHP officers. With 7,700 officers in the state, we can mobilize 1,500 to 2,000 officers within 12 hours. We can get CHP officers anywhere in the state pretty fast. So if you need help, if somebody needs help, we can help out pretty fast. You guys are too young to remember, but Hurricane Katrina, when Hurricane Katrina came through Louisiana, they actually flew several hundred CHP officers to Louisiana and swore them in as Louisiana state troopers. They were there for about a month. Within 12 hours, we had several hundred guys that marched at Marchfield and Riverside on C-130s, military provided C-130s.
You're right, on. Yeah.
To help out.
Kind of like 20 years.
But that's just another example of a variety of what we do as a department. This right here is a preliminary alcohol screening device. Right here. This is actually a breathalyzer. When I'm on the side of a road and I pull somebody over and I suspect they've been drinking and driving, I give them field sobriety tests, and then the last thing I do is I actually have them blow into this. Okay? And if I have them blow into this, what will it tell me? Somebody want to do it?
They all want to do it.
All picks up one person. Since we're in a budget crisis, I don't want to use 100 pounds. Unless you guys want to share them out. No, I'm just kidding. I wouldn't do that to you. You. Take a deep breath and blow.
Deep breath. Go a little longer.
Nah, you didn't give me enough air. You know what, don't blow it real fast. Just blow it continuously. 5 minutes. Okay? One more time. Just take a deep breath and just blow continuously.
Like you're blowing a balloon. Like a long, long, long.
Real hard. This is what we have on the side of the road. People One more time.
Okay, so breathe in. And then slow blow.
Blow hard.
Long. Keep going. Oh, keep kissing.
I'll try one more time.
Let me try
one more time with you. I'll do a man like this, okay?
He has good lungs. They hold a lot. There we go.
Finally got
That's the right answer.
What is this thing?
000. Okay?
Good for you. Yeah. You nibbled out today.
This morning.
A lot of times people on the side of the road don't want to cooperate and give you the test, so they're like, what do you mean it's not working? I've had people fake their cheeks blowing up real big. I need the air in there, that's right. You guys know what this is? Taser, right? You guys remember the video where the young man's saying, what's he saying? Don't tase me, bro. Yeah? Don't tase me, bro. This is a taser. 50,000 volts. 50,000 volts of electricity. Right? Yeah, everybody should say, whoa. It hurts, right?
There we go.
Does it have any electricity in it right now? No, there's no battery though. So if I zap you, it's nothing, right? But if I do it with this one, ooh, watch out, right? This one has a battery in it. This actually shoots a pair of darts 25 feet. The green doors on it indicate 25 feet. You'll see different officers, different agencies with different colored doors. That tells you how far that blasts out. Okay? Doesn't have any gunpowder, doesn't have any antidote unless it actually uses air. There's compressed nitrogen in this, and when the electricity shocks it, it actually shoots 2 darts out 25 feet. Okay? Do you ever want to get zapped with these?
What are the different, you said different colors?
Yeah, different colors. There's like 10 feet, 25 feet, 30 feet. There's all different ranges.
What's the one that's longer?
There's 30 foot. There's actually a 30 foot range. We use a 25. But
Is that part of the
this is actually part of the taser. This is the ammunition that actually works inside of the taser. You'll see officers actually carry 2 of them. This one in here actually has, I have one that's actually in the weapon itself, or the device itself, and then a second one right here, and this is the battery compartment down here. So this one doesn't have a battery, so it's not, the kids can look at it, touch it. Anybody can look at it, touch it.
So it's like you have backup.
Yeah. The second one.
And are all tasers with a little thingamajiggy?
Yeah, the darts.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, probably I would say yes. It's a taser device. It's actually made by Taser. There are other devices where they actually just deliver the electricity. Like this one will say if somebody's not cooperating, I can actually take the darts off and I can actually do it. You don't want that to go off. You don't want I've been tased like that to my shoulder. Yeah, just for fun. I mean, I say for fun, it's actually part of training.
But not for real.
But not being tased. And actually, one of the questions comes up is, can you tase somebody with like a pacemaker or something like that?
Oh, you can?
Yeah, we actually had a sergeant in the Needles that had a pacemaker, and when he went through the training, he actually took the tasing to show that
It doesn't affect it at all? Or fertilizers or anything?